Exercise number 16. Ready? Start. I deem it a privilege and an honor to meet you, the students and teachers of the Tribhuvan University, and to spend a few happy moments in your midst. Stop. For one who, like me, has been a teacher all his life, it is always a stimulating and encouraging experience to meet young students and scholars engaged in the pursuit of knowledge and discovery. Stop. This is all the more so on this occasion because of the strong ties of common traditions and shared values which have united Nepal and India throughout the centuries. Stopera. A university is a powerful instrument not only for all sided development of one's nation but for the progress of mankind as a whole. Stop. A university, said Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, stands for humanism, for tolerance, for reason, for the adventure of ideas, and for the search of truth. Stop. It stands for the onward march of the human race towards even higher objectives. Stop. If the universities discharge their duties adequately, then it is well for the nation and the people. Stop. This university, named after the great father of the Nepalese nation, is developing in a manner worthy of all the universalism, modernism, and spirit of freedom and equality that he stood for. Stop. It has made a valuable contribution to the development of modern Nepal, and I have no doubt that it will make an even more significant contribution to the social, cultural, and economic development of our country in the days ahead and help it to assume its rightful place in the committee of nations. Stop. Para. I am extremely happy that we in India have fully associated ourselves to the best of our ability in the building up of this great university from its very inception. Stop. We feel proud of this collaboration, which has been of considerable benefit to ourselves. Stop. I feel particularly happy to be associated with the construction on this beautiful campus of a new building which has been named after Mahatma Gandhi, whose birth centenary year is now being celebrated in India and in several other countries of the world. Stop. Among other things, this building will provide a hall for discussion and discourses on religious and cultural subjects with special reference to the contribution made by Gandhiji in these fields. Stop. The people of India and Nepal, as well as of other countries, feel very close to Gandhiji for his principal teachings, which have an eternal value. Stop.